I am playing this slimeatory. Since you guys loved it, I got 6 views on it. So I'm going to be playing it again. So it's not really different, but like, it's kind of different. I'm on level 10. And yeah. So, just gonna put some things up here. I need more glue. Actually, foam boots. I need everything. Perfect. Everything's going. Just gonna fold it up. Do I have to get anything? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna do that one after. Am I doing that? Yes. Oh. There we go. Gotta wait for them now. So yeah, I'm just gonna just show you my slimeatory again, since you guys love it, of course. I'm gonna show this one. I just want to see if I have anything else. Okay, so I'm really close to the cornstarch, so I'm gonna do that quest so I can get some more slime butts. I wonder what I should do. This girl's waiting. So while I'm here, I'm gonna give her some slime. You wanna buy it? Okay. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys a little checkup because you guys loved the video and I want to do more things you guys love. Yeah. Two of these for that much? That's so expensive. I would never buy that. I don't know who would buy that, but like, not me. I'm gonna put down slime for her. Wait. Let's see what's... Okay, so I can't put down one of these. Gonna sell it to her. Perfect. And yeah, I'm just getting a little checkup on the slime. You guys, my slime toy, and you guys tell me your username, and I'm a friend you guys, and I want to see your slime toys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.